Hello guys, look at my new flashlight I got. I'll show you what it looks like when you turn off the lights. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. You didn't notice I was wearing a ring. Also got this. Same thing as the light, but that little dot projects a little green dot, and that's a blue. But let me turn off the lights and show you. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connection. This is what it looks like. You pencil? It looks really nice. I will be tiny pencil in my pencil. Wow. It's Bluetooth, so then you could plug it to other things, like a phone or tablet. And this switch right here will let you put the brightness lower or high. That's low. And this is what high looks like. Really nice.